Today, we're breaking down Alex Hormozi's talk on how making money really works. The full video is packed with insights, but this is your 5-minute summary of the two biggest takeaways: leverage and focus. Let's get into it. Hormozi starts with a brutal truth that most entrepreneurs aren't broke because they don't work hard. They're broke because they're distracted. They're constantly chasing new businesses, new products, and new opportunities instead of going deep on one thing. According to Alex, the foundation of making real money is leverage, getting more output from the same input. The thing that creates leverage is doing things better: better content, better ads, better sales scripts, etc. Most entrepreneurs quit before they ever build leverage because they want to feel stimulated. This leads to Hormozi's second point, which is focus. He tells the story of his friend juggling multiple side businesses. When asked what would happen if he dropped everything and focused on the one business already making money, the friend admitted that it'd be really easy to grow. He illustrates this with the woman in the red dress metaphor from The Matrix. That woman represents distractions and tempting opportunities that pull you away from your path. Saying no at level 1 is easy, but as you grow and the opportunities become more seductive, the real challenge is saying no when it hurts. Hormozi himself admits he failed at this. He started a supplement company while running Gym Launch. Even though it worked out financially, he says it was a strategic mistake. The lesson simply is to get good at saying no at every level. Hormozi points out that if you're running a business, chances are you already know what you should be doing, but you're not doing it. You need to actually do the unsexy work sitting on your desk. Things like following up with leads faster, improving your offers. Alex shares his own transformation. At 26, he owned 9 businesses and was broke simply because he spread himself too thin. He decided to drop everything and go all in on Gym Launch, and in 12 months, they scaled from $0 to $1.5 million per month. That's your short breakdown of Alex Hormozi's video on how making money really works. If you want the full version, check the link in the description and subscribe for more no-fluff business breakdowns like this.